Hi there, welcome back to another tutorial here on the Nice Tower channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to model a staircase for a footbridge. Before we start, if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. It really keeps me going. Now let's jump in. So first, use tape measure and track guide right here, and also once here, like this. Now use rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Let me lock the axis, my arrow key. Up to here. So now again use rectangle tool, draw a rectangle right here by 30 centimeter, 17. Enter. Now select this edge with this one. Press Ctrl to take a copy up to here. Now type 20x and also align here. Let's start from here, 150. And now again select this edge with this one. Take a copy of that, press Ctrl up to here. Again, take another copy, 19x, enter. Now it's good. So let me delete here. Then use move tool, take a copy of this edge up to here and also here too. Press Ctrl by 17 centimeter or up to here, like this. Now use line tool, draw a line from here up to here, and then from here up to here, like this. Let me erase this one and also this surface. Now select all and make it group. Now let me go to inside of that and extrude by 150 centimeter. Now we need this edge. Let me take a copy of that. And also here, deselect the surface. So use Ctrl C and take a copy of that. Let me select all and make it group again. Now use paste in place. Go to edit menu and use paste in place. Now we have that line. Let me use weld edges to weld them together. Now use JHS power bar plugin, and with this option, line extruder, with this one, let me extrude it. Extrude it by 200 centimeter. Like this. Now we extrude that. And let me do it again. by 50 centimeter and again and again by 120, like this. Now let me draw a line here, here, and here. Select all, use reverse faces, and let me make it component. Click on create, use Flip tool, take a copy of that from right side, press Ctrl to take a copy like this. Now go to inside of one of them and push pull tool and extrude here by 10 centimeter, here, here, and also here, like this. Now select this surface and use 1001-bit tools plugin. Create window right here with this option. 1 rows, 7 columns, 8 centimeter depth, 5 centimeter width, and here choose front and click on create window frame, like this. And also once here, like this. As you see, there is some problem right here. This frame has a problem. Let me fix that. Draw a line here, here, and also back of that, here, and here. Now just select the frame and take a copy of that from here. Press Ctrl to take a copy up to here. Now just type 2x and also here too. Take a copy, press Ctrl to take a copy up to here again, here. Now it's good. And also this window too. So now it's good, and let's put a glass material for the window. Go to default tray, material, find glass, and go to inside of the window. Put here a glass material and here too, like this. Now here